that with the pace.
Oh, he's been badly hurt
Ref.
He's going down. Oh, it's all over.
Big heart that was throwing that with this boy, that Fernando Atengosi.
2019, dumayo sa pangalawang pagkakataon sa South Africa ang Pinoy na si Jonas Sultan para kasahan itong matibay na African champion na si Atinkunsi Dumizwini para sa bakanting WBC Silver Super Flyweight title. Pero minalas ang ating kababayan na bigong manalo, natalo si Sultan via unanimous decision. Sa kaparehong taon, unang didipinsahan ng South African champion ang titulo niya kontra sa pambato ng bansang Argentina. Ito ay ang rising prospect nila, ang undefeated na si Fernando Daniel Martinez. Sa South Africa pa rin ginawa ang bakbakan, pero kahit dayo ang Argentinian na si Martinez ay wala itong kaba na kasahan ang tigasing South African champion. At sa kanilang laban ay maagang pinatikim ng matinding banat ni Martinez itong African champion. Unang round pa lang, pinabagsak na agad ni Martinez itong African at nagtapos ang kanilang laban sa isang TKO sa round 11. Pinahiya ni Martinez ang African champion sa sarili nitong baluarte. Di napigilan ang lakas ni Martinez, dinispat siya ang kalaban at kinuha ang titulo. Sabay nating tignan kung paano dinurog ni Fernando Martinez ang South African champion na tumalo kay Jonas Sultan noon.
Number 6 in the WBC in the world. Pretty good. With 6 KOs. Martinez is 28.
Unang round, palitan agad ng mga suntok ang dalawa, pero makikitang mas sumusugod at agresibo itong Argentinian challenger na si Martinez.
And he of course was from Argentina. But back to the action. Nice combination.
Oh, yes, another punch. You have seen that this Fernando's.
Well, he's come to fight.
Matapos ang mahigit isang minuto lang sa round 1, ay natamaan ng solidong kombinasyon itong African champion at nabilangan.
Dumizwini.
Bumangon naman agad ito, pero di na nilubayan ng Argentinian boxer ang African champion, pinanatan ng todo.
Is mixing that his punches very well that Marvin knows. I tell you that I see the
And left to. And we've got a fight in our hands here. Visitor Fernando Martinez 10-8 for that knockdown.
Round 2, makikitang di pa rin nakarecover itong African champion. May hilo pa din, kaya mas naging agresibo pa dito si Martinez. Pero di naman nagpapatalo itong African na si Dumizwini, kumakaunter din minsan.
Whereas Martinez is fighting the fight. He
say that now. We're gonna up the tempo. We're gonna throw some heavy. Oh,
get on the outside.
afternoon that for Atengosi.
Well, it's a better round for Atinkunsi. He's standing and he's trading.
Round 3, tuloy pa din ang suntukan. Mas tumindi pa ang palitan ng mga kombinasyon. Parehong matapang at palaban. At medyo nakaka-recover na din dito ang African champion. Nakakatama na din ng klaro, pero mas makamay pa din itong dayong Argentinian na si Martinez.
But he's got to get through Martinez.
Throwing all that on those punches that Messi can't find that Manning standing there.
Fighting well off the back foot now. In round 2, so he's back in the fight here in round 3.
Now his work rate that has to put in the body and also put. Oh,
Yeah,
but he must also that gauge himself because mustn't get carried away.
Round 4, tuloy pa din sa pagiging toro kung lumaban itong Argentinian na si Martinez. Malabumbang mga suntok ang pinapakawalan, pero bumabawi na din dito ng mga solidong suntok ang African.
No, Fernando. See that he's having a cut.
Dumizwini now has really upped his game.
Thus far that Atinkunsi, he has really recovered. You can see that the way he throws out the punches, very confident.
Dumizwini
Understand? Oh!
on the inside well.
See that those boys are absolutely not shy to throw those blows.
Round 5, sobrang ganda na ng palitan ng mga suntok ang makikita. Mas tumindi pa ang laban. Nakabawi na din dito ang African champion. Mas madaming patama na solido at accurate na din ang mga suntok nito.
Fight after round 1.
Punch that for him, that to some damage, that to Fernandez.
Good right hand.
Martinez.
This is one of those kind of fights where according
Sa huling segundo ng round 5 ay makikitang napapaatras na ito si Martinez sa mga birada ng African champion sa bodega.
So by closing that gap, that is also cutting off that.
good fight,
That's-
close round.
Indeed, beautiful.
Umpisa pa lang ng round 6 ay mainit na agad na palitan ng solidong mga kombinasyon ang makikita. Agresibo na din dito ang African. Bodega ni Martinez ang punterya. Pero dugong Argentinian ang bitbit ni Martinez. Matapang at palaban. Kahit duguan na, ang kanang mata nito ay nagbabato pa din ng mga solidong suntok. Di papayag na uuwing talo.
Well, Martinez has a big
Just a small cut to that turn. I must say that at the corner there.
a small cut is a medium cut now. And Dumas wet.
I can tell you for he's really trying to hunt that's not there.
And he's trading with him, which is the right thing to do.
I tell you that Thomas really someone that now that's throwing a number of punches started to Fernandez. If it is round.
The 6th rated guy.
Round 7, tuloy pa din ang maaksyong laban. Walang humpay na palitan pa din ng mga kombinasyon. Tila bawal umatras at yumakap sa laban. Talagang purong kamao sa kamao. Matira ang matibay.
On the side that Aten goes into Mazreni. Something that the second nature that to him. Oh, throwing two punches at the same time. That Aten goes. It is a bit very close. See that Aten goes hitting the body.
The champion, of course, Argentina, as he battles his way forward.
But I can tell you right now that once again Fernando Martinez is
Dito sa mga huling segundo ng round 8 ay ilang beses nang natatamaan ng solidong mga suntok itong African champion. Pero talagang matibay. Nakatayo pa din at sumasabay.
it's Fernando who's gone up to Mazreni. This one is a man of steel. But once again Aten goes he showed some maturity that year. Right now that's on right number 9. Fernando's, he started with Fernando's is hunting.
Round 9, dahan-dahan nang nilalamog ni Martinez itong African champion. Pinapalambot na para lamunin sa mga sumunod na mga rounds.
Fans commenting that Fernandez is absent, that Aten goes into Mazreni right there. Makes all those punches, you see that. Oh, connected him again.
Oh, it's a great fight. It's a tough fight. Martinez.
All right, we step.
And a terrific show.
Makikitang parehong pagod na ang dalawa. Pero tuloy pa din sa laban. At sa huling segundo ng round 10 ay muling nabilangan itong South African champion. Pero nadidaksyonan naman si Martinez dahil sinuntok pa niya itong African kahit bumagsak na.
Martinez that is delivering that in the blows. You look at that in the face as if nothing that is happening.
Well, that's now there's a serious change of events here. Because I can tell you what, Atenkosi Dumasweni now will be behind on points. So it's a knockdown for Martinez and a point taken away from Martinez. Wow. And he's applying the pressure now for Now Martinez from Argentina is looking brilliant in round number 11. Wow. Raining in punches, punches in punches. And what a great round. Lost it down 10-8, but he actually never lost it.
Umpisa pa lang ng round 11 Agad sinunggaban ni Martinez ang hilong-hilo pang South African champion. Nirapido ng mga suntok sa ulo at sa bodega, tumba at referee na mismo ang nagpahinto sa laban nila.
As one Fernando, unbelievably excited. 12th round stoppage, stays undefeated Fernando Martinez.
Panalo via 11th round TKO ang pambato ng Argentina na si Martinez at nakuha ang WBC Silver Super Flyweight title.
And the new WBC Silver Junior Bantamweight champion is Fernando Daniel Martinez.
Hi guys, this is Mark Magnifico Magsayo. You are watching Channel Manoy.